there is a leaked message circulating on Zambia's social media platforms indicating that the 2030 team is ordered the death of General Sanyatwe, General Rugeje, and General Muchena. Zarabena mashugo breto kopana pa mzimu ai anokonzi abva kuna majerajeros pamwene zvikuda pachena kuti pane developments nemapex aitwa kunzi the people behind VP Kosandro Chiwenga they want to be deleted first before deleting their boss. Zarabena mashugo anokonzi kopangwa ine to subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Zimu ai inopost zvamuri kuona nyora chiti. I am told Anamboa had a meeting yesterday at a Precap farm which resolved that the last men standing by General Chiwenga must be eliminated first. They think Chiwenga's growing influence and confidence is angered on General Sanyatwe, Rugeje, and recently Muchena, among others. Doma developments are good upangwa ine. These are fresh attacks. Argunza circulator from social media handles SNPF. Arima architects, Emma plans, Akuya Achino attacker, the people behind the VP. Developments are kupangwa ino murezi papo are very deadly. Aruya arisema warnings. Arkunzi, let us pray for these individuals so that they remain safe, stay safe from the hands of Zvigananda. Varikunokonzi Zvigananda pangwa ino. Ma architects, Emma plans avari kuita aiwa ane monopasi. Developments aripo murezi papo. Pina comment section medu zofundwa enyi moto kuti pamzoro peshitiko ichi. So subscribe or like up or turn on the bell icon.